I get the goosebumps every time I clench my teeth and close my eyes. I get the goosebumps every night I clench my teeth and close my eyes.
Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grand Master Jeddalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're back with another 31 days of Halloween. Today in this video we're doing Linger. This is by BioXide. It's an indie horror game that I got off of itch.io. Seems to be pretty scary, so yeah, we're gonna get into this and see how scary this game is. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Yes, let's. Day 1. Alright. Alright, Padawans, here we go. I'm scary. I'm scared. Padawans, I'm scared. Alright, here we are. So we're locked in a building, I guess. Wait. Okay. Turn on TV. Okay. Alright. What's this say here? Hey there. Thanks for staying in my apartment. I hope you enjoy your time here. Sadly, there's a really bad snowstorm going on outside, and you'll have to stay locked in. But don't worry, it will be fine. How about you familiarize yourself with the apartment? Go inside every room and also check out the living room, dining table, and kitchen. Place is wonderful. Okay. What's in here? Oh, this is nice. A little closet here. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Oh, wow. This place is big. Okay, so what's in here? Bathroom. Very nice bathtub. Okay. Very nice, very nice. What's in here? Okay. A little study area. What's this? Chessboard. Never understood this game. Desk. A large bookshelf. Seems like the apartment owner is a fan of old books. Okay. Phone. Okay. Another bathroom. Got a jacuzzi. Very nice. Okay, washing machine area. Alright. Nice dining table. Very nice, very nice. The snow is completely covering the balcony door. Okay, what the? Okay then. I have no reflection, I am a vampire. Very nice living room here. Fireplace. The owner of this apartment has a nice wine collection. I wonder how much these are worth. I wonder how much too. I wonder how much it costs to stay in a place like this. Okay, disarm radio. Wait, what did it say? Turn off lights. The door won't barge. The door won't budge. It It's like as if it was frozen entirely. Yeah. Radio. Very nice place. Very nice place. Day 2. Okay. Do you hear those frequencies emitting from the electronics? Turn on all electronics in the apartment. Make sure all electronics are emitting frequencies for a couple of seconds. It is very, very rejuvenating. Okay. I don't think there's anything in there. That's just a closet. So, TV. We'll just turn them on and leave them on. Alright.
Successful.
There's the bathroom. Nothing in there. Phone was in here. Nothing in these things.
Thanks for joining us on this episode.
Okay.
What's inside me? You got walls and a roof.
TV here. There we go. Radio over here. Alright. There we go. Is that it? Oh, we're fading to black again. Day 3. Alright. Now that you've experienced the frequencies, follow the next step to become one with them. Turn off all the lights in the apartment, head to the living room, and turn on the TV, then stare at it to begin the process. This will only work if all the lights are turned off. The apartment must be pitch black. Don't be scared, trust the process. Okay. Do I have a flashlight? Oh yeah, I do. Cool. Okay, open door. Turn off lights. Turn off that light. Turn off this. Lamp. Turn that off. Gotta turn these things off. We'll turn those off last, I think. Turn that off. What? So that's how this place looks when it's sunny. Shame I got caught up in a snowstorm. Oh! Damn, that does look nice. Shit. Okay, did I... Wait. I hate those prompts. Alright. We're in the pitch blackness. What's with all the blackness? What's with all this blackness? Okay. Hold on. I think I didn't shut off a light somewhere. Oh! Over here. I didn't do this room. Oopsie. There we go. Should work now. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, Lord. Look at that, everybody. It's Kayako. Or are you Sadako? No, Sadako is the grudge. You're Kayako. Day 4. Oh boy. What do I gotta do now? Uh-oh, the door opened. That's not goods. Those just gods. Those just gods. Just sounds happening. Just gods. I'm gonna close this door. What's this say? You're doing good. A friend will be calling in a couple of minutes. Make sure you pick up the phone in the study room and listen carefully. It's only a matter of time till she visits. Oh boy. It is? Kid. Kid. What the fuck was that? Oh, hello. Hello there. Hi, Kayako. How you doing? Oh, shit. Right. I think I heard the phone going off in here. Yep. Door. Yep, phone's ringing. Most is God's. Most is God's. What am I in the darkness or oh, just gods? Hello, Kayako. How you doing? There's 3 things that don't belong in this apartment. Search thoroughly and try turning them on. She's getting closer. Can you feel her? I don't want to feel. Oh, just gods. Okay. Let's turn the TV on. Stay there. Yeah, you stay there. I like having an area where I can see you. Door. Oh. Where did this come from? Okay. Oh God. Open door. Nothing in here. Door. Oh, here's something. Okay. This is God's. This is God's. This is God's. Oh, this is God's. Oh, this is God's. Heaven help me, cause I'm most is God's. I hate day 6. Okay, sure. I hate this. Oh no, she's not on. She's on the thing's TV's on, but she's not there. She's not there. What's this God's? She lingers. My eyes, she took them. She doesn't like to be looked at for long. My eyes are somewhere in the house. Don't let her get close. What's this God's? What's this God's? Nope. Nope. Opening door. Bye, Kayako. Oh God. Open door. Where is she? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. She's not there. Is she in here? Hello? Hello? Just She's behind me! There she is! Oh my god, thank god I know where the other eyeball is! Oh god! Come on, Kayako, where are you? There she is! Oh shit, she's teleporting! Oh gods! Oh, it's just gods. Okay. Where are we? I hear tapping. Let's turn on the TV. She's not there. I still hear that tapping. What's going on? I don't like this. Hello? Anybody there? Oh, it's just gods. Oh, it's just gods. What's this say? Oh, it's just gods. Just says ... That's not goods. That's not goods. Up's not happies. That's not goods. Oh, this is gods. Oh, I think she tunneled out away from me. Out through the snowstorm. Yeah, there she is. She's waiting for me. Thank you, Kayako. That's nice of you. I appreciate that. I'll come over and join you. Oh, it's just gods. Where's she go? Oh, it's gods. Oh, gods. It's just gods. Oh, it's just gods. Oh, it's just gods. Oh, it's just gods. It's gods. Oh, it's just gods. Oh. Okay. Oh, hello there. Yeah, you want me to come through there so you can kill me, don't you? Well, I'm not doing it. Continue going this way, away from Kayako over there. Stairs, I can get out. Yay! And I'm blocked by a goddamn invisible wall. Okay, well, we gotta go back. Okay, Kayako. We're gonna have to stay in this apartment together, okay? This is what we're gonna do. Alright? There, I see you there. Alright, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna stay right here. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you. Okay, we're gonna both be... Well, I'm gonna be a mature adult. You're gonna be, whatever you are. Mature ghost, I hope. But I'm gonna come over there. We're gonna have to suffer this out together, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. There's an invisible wall over here. So this is what we're gonna do, alright? Okay then. We're gonna share this apartment together. We're gonna make it through the snowstorm, and then you can go back to wherever it is you came from. Hell, purgatory, wherever. Or wherever you want to go. I mean, that's up to you. I'm not gonna tell you where you have to go. You can go where you want, okay? Alright, here I come. Let's enjoy this apartment too. You son of a bitch. Come on, Kayako. This is both of our apartment. Oh, you're over there. Well, maybe you know how to get out? Alright, well, come over there. Hopefully you know what to do. Coming over. Here come. Oh, this is God! Oh, it's just a dream. It was just a horrible, fucked up dream. Oh, it's just gods. Oh, thank God. I can't move. Oh, it's just gods. Oh, it's just gods. Oh, it's just gods. Heaven help me, because it's all just gods. Oh my God. Hi, Kayako. Kayako, you're a little close, okay? It's called personal space there. Alright? What the fuck? And my game just ended, so that must be the end of the game. Nice. Well, Padawans, that was Linger. So, yeah. Very interesting horror game. Quite creepy, if I must say. But that's how all horror games gotta be, right? Especially if they're indie ones. So, yeah. But anyways, I just want to say thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And remember, my younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights, the Force will be with you. Always. And Happy Halloween.
Greetings, Padawans. I'm Commander Corvette of the Rebellion. The Grandmaster has requested me to bring some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Jeddalo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future missions, such as training cast and crew, along with a possible cup of blue milk. And to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, the severe asthma.